welcome to the Horn booth. Here in Hannover we show the latest innovations of Horn. We have special branched industry here for the solutions we offer. We have plenty new products, innovations, and of course machining at its best. On 4 machines we show our tools under swarf, under chips, so we can prove that our tools will solve your problem, your challenge. If it comes to different industries, we're the right partner for you. Even if you look for medical, aerospace, defense, or alloy production, we have the right solution. We do not only know the tool, but also the whole infrastructure, like the machine, the cooling, the clamping, and even the material. We have the right tool for you, the right solution. Ask our experts, because they are specialists and they will solve your problem. I'm sure that we have everything you need.